Today I'm going to give you a tip on how to replace the filter of the Nissan Pathfinder 2018. I find it hard for the first time, but so when I found it out, so I'm going to give you a tip how to do it quickly and easy. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to remove this clip, two clip here. After that, you just need to open this a little bit. Do not open at the back. You just need to open it a little bit here and pull the filter. Just make sure that this nuts here is aligned before you're going to close the clip. Anyway, you cannot close the clip when this two is not aligned. So I just find it hard to video at the same time putting it back. So what I did, I put it back before I took a video. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close this one. So it's not that hard to remove and replace the filter of Nissan Pathfinder 2018. Thank you for watching.